Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.20.1. Today we will work on your English vocabulary. We begin with second grade level Dolch sight words review. Please follow the directions and do your best. So for part 1, please watch the vocabulary video below 2 or 3 times. This is going to help you with your vocabulary building, your listening comprehension, your reading comprehension, as well as with your pronunciation if you repeat after the video. Okay? After you finish watching the video and working with it, part 2, please read aloud the following words and sentences in English, then translate them and read them into your primary language using the translator on this page. So, what I suggest you do is read these first in English, read the words and the sentences in English, and then when you finish, you translate using the translate buttons here, and you read them in your primary language, okay? And when you finish, you can click on the American flag to go back to English. So let's read in English together. Let's read these words together. Always, around, because, been, before, best, both, by, call, cold, does, don't, fast, first, 5, found, gave, goes, green, it's, made, many, off, or, pull, read, write, sing, sit, sleep, tell, there, these, those, upon, us, use, very, wash, which, why, wish, work, would, write, and your. So now we're going to read sentences with each of these words in English. She always asks for ice cream after dinner. Let's walk around the park. I learn English because I enjoy it. Where have you been? I ate a watermelon before lunch. This gymnast is the best in the world. I called both Maria and Juan. Let's buy dinner at the restaurant. What name should I call you? Winters are very cold in Siberia. She does her homework every day. I don't know where my shoes are. The sports car is very fast. She was the first to win the race. I have 5 fingers on my right hand. He found a wallet on the street. Louis gave the girl a present. He goes to the market every day. The green apple is sour. The dog injured its paw. That car was made in Germany. Many people want to move to the United States of America. She fell off her motorcycle. You can go to school or go to work at a factory. Don't pull my finger. Martha read an entire book yesterday. Turn right if you wish to exit the city. She likes to sing opera. Would you like to sit down? When you are tired, you need to sleep. Alice will tell her parents about school. Their parents are very strict. What are these things on your desk? Why are those shoes so expensive? He tripped and fell upon the table. Take us to your leader. Why do some people use illegal drugs? Martha is a very beautiful girl. Wash your hands when you get home. Which shirt do you prefer, the white one or the blue one? I don't understand why the teacher gave me a bad grade. Do you wish to win at the lottery? Learning a new language requires a lot of hard work. When would you like to visit California, United States of America? If you write her a nice letter, she will be happy. Your parents are very proud of you. Okay, so you read this in English. Now, if you want to translate it into another language, let's say you want to translate it into Hungarian. So you click Hungarian, and here it is in Hungarian. You can read it in Hungarian. After you're finished, click on the American flag and you're back to English. Okay? After you finish reading it in your primary language, don't forget to leave a reply. Tell us what you learned and how you felt about it. Then you click your name, you enter your name, you enter your email, and you post a comment, and I will respond to you. Thank you very much for working so hard, students. I appreciate all the efforts you put in this class.